Picture this. A meeting room is buzzing. One person dominates, cutting people off, filling every second with their voice. You'd think they'd be the most respected person in the room, but they're not. Instead, everyone turns their heads when another person finally speaks. Someone who's been quiet, almost invisible, until that moment. Just a single sentence from them carries more weight than 10 minutes of rambling. Why? Because respect doesn't flow to the loudest. It flows to the person who masters the one move almost nobody practices: strategic silence. And here's the twist. That's just the beginning. Silence is the doorway, but behind it lies a full set of hidden respect signals that anyone can activate. Once you learn them, people will lean in, pay attention, and treat you differently, almost instantly. But to understand why silence works, we have to start with something deeper: the psychology of how humans actually decide who deserves respect. The transformation starts now. Chapter 1. The psychology of respect signals. You don't get to choose who you respect. Your brain does it for you in seconds. Scientists found that when we meet someone new, our minds size them up in under 2 seconds. It's not about what they say, it's about what they signal. Only 7% of perception comes from words, 38% comes from tone, and a massive 55% comes from body language. Think about that. You could say all the right things, but if your posture is nervous, your tone rushed, your eye contact darting, your brain files that person under not confident. And here's the fascinating part. Respect spreads like a signal. We unconsciously copy the people we admire. When someone moves slowly, holds steady eye contact, or pauses before speaking, our instincts categorize them as higher status. It's automatic. You felt it before, that gut reaction when someone enters the room and instantly seems in control. That's not charisma. That's neuroscience. But psychology alone doesn't make people respect you. It just explains the framework. The real power comes when you wield the one tool that instantly amplifies all of it: silence. Chapter 2. The power of strategic silence. Silence feels awkward. That's why almost no one uses it. But in reality, silence is one of the strongest power moves you can make. Here's why. Humans hate conversational vacuums. If you pause for 2 seconds, most people rush to fill the gap. They reveal more, they agree more, and they unconsciously lean toward the person who's comfortable with that pause. Try it. Next time your colleague asks your opinion in a meeting, instead of jumping in immediately, hold for 2 beats. Let me think about that. Then speak. Watch how the room leans in. It works because silence creates psychological pressure. It whispers, "I don't need to rush. I don't need to prove myself. My presence is enough." The loudest person in the room often comes across as insecure, scrambling for attention. The one who pauses, waits, and chooses words carefully, that's the person everyone starts respecting. Silence isn't weakness, it's authority. And when you combine it with something else, your body language, the effect multiplies. Chapter 3. Body language that commands the room. Your body is having a conversation before your mouth ever opens, and everyone's listening. The way you sit, stand, and even breathe broadcasts signals about your confidence. The good news? These signals are learnable. Take posture. Confident people expand into space. They don't slouch small. They sit upright, shoulders open, moving slowly. That calm expansion tells the brain, this person matters. Or think about pace. Nervous people move fast, tapping feet, shifting constantly, rushing their words. Confident people move slow. They know others will wait for them. Here's a simple experiment. Before your next important meeting, practice a power pose for 2 minutes. Standing tall, shoulders wide, chin up. Studies show it doesn't just change how others see you, it changes how you feel. Your body tricks your brain into confidence. And that's the loop. Your body shapes your mind shapes your body, and together they shape how others see you. But posture and presence are just the foundation. The real connection happens in the eyes and in the subtle skill of mirroring. Chapter 4. The Respect Sweet Spot. Eye contact and mirroring. Eye contact is the closest thing to social magic. Too little and you seem insecure. Too much and you seem threatening. The sweet spot? Around 70%. That means maintaining eye contact for about 7 seconds, then glancing away for 3. It builds trust without crossing into discomfort. It shows confidence without aggression. Here's the advanced layer. Confident people hold eye contact when they are speaking. They break eye contact while listening. That subtle rhythm makes others feel both valued and intrigued. Now add mirroring. People trust those who feel familiar. Without even realizing it, our brains like those who move like us. If someone leans forward excitedly, you wait a beat, then lean in too. If their pace is calm, you slow down to match. Done right, this doesn't feel fake, it feels like connection. It tells the other person, you get me, and trust flows almost instantly. But all of this, silence, posture, eye contact, mirroring, is just technique. The real transformation happens when these behaviors stop feeling like tricks and start becoming who you are. Chapter 5. Authentic confidence and the compound effect. Here's the paradox. Authentic confidence often starts with practice. People think they need to feel confident first. In reality, confidence grows when you act it out. Your brain takes cues from your body. Stand tall and your mind goes, we're powerful. Slow your words and your anxiety drops. The more you practice, the more real it becomes. And here's where it gets exponential. Respect compounds. It's like interest on savings. One pause, one good posture, one confident gesture might go unnoticed. But daily, these micro moves stack up. Day 1, you pause before answering. Week 1, people notice something's different. Month 2, colleagues actually ask for your opinion. Month 3, you're leading conversations you used to avoid. Nothing dramatic happened, just small, consistent deposits that turned into a massive balance of respect. The secret isn't loudness. It isn't force. It's micro habits compounded daily until your presence becomes undeniable. The respect revolution starts with one small move. So here's the truth. Respect doesn't belong to the loudest voice or the flashiest personality. It belongs to the person who can hold silence, carry presence, and connect with authenticity. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to amplify the signals you already have, with pauses, posture, eye contact, and small daily actions that compound. The most respected people you've met didn't get there overnight. They stacked tiny behaviors into unshakable presence. And that's the secret. Respect isn't demanded. It's created. One pause, one glance, one moment of silence at a time. Every respected person started exactly where you are. Your transformation begins with the next conversation. Smash the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more. We'll see you on the inside.